You could take any prayer, like um, let's say Shochenad on a Shabbos morning,
Right.
where the regular Shochenad Marom V'Kodosh Shemo. You can go Shochenad Marom V'Kodosh Shemo. Shochenad Marom V'Kodosh Shemo. You can do whatever you want with it, and there's no limit. So why be tied down to just getting on Shochenad Marom V'Kadosh Shemo week in, week out, week in, week out. Shochenad Marom V'Kadosh Shemo. It's boring. And the same thing is with a kedusha. The same thing is with everything. If you're going to say anything, so that I never prepare a davening, because if I'll prepare, I won't say the same thing anyway. It wouldn't make a difference.
Like what's a kedusha that you would, like a...
Except when we sing with the choir and I have to sing some choral compositions,
Yeah.
I would stick to a choral composition.
Yeah.
But when I'm not sticking to a choral composition, I do whatever I feel like.
Yeah.
ממקום חומלכנו סופיה ושים לחולנו כי מחכים אנחנו לך דנוגו ממקומך מלכנו סופיה ושים לחולנו כי מחכים אנחנו לך. ממקומך מלכנו סופיה ושים לחולנו כי מחכים אנחנו לך. Doesn't matter.
And every time it's different.
Always different. But you still stay in the mode. You have to remain in the mode. And what's most important is the meaning of the words.
Yeah.
And that's what leads you.
Exactly, the tone painting of
That's
the
it.
text. Yeah.
So I'm not gonna cry where you have to be happy. I'm not gonna be happy where you have to cry.
Right, and if you're talking about a place, a mysterious place where
Exactly.
God is, it's
So
going to be...
misterioso. Right. Exactly.
Yeah.
So this comes with a lot of years of practice.
Yeah.
But I always based my style on improvisation.
And your father also
Always.
based his style on
Always.
improvisation. And your grandfather, do you know? Did he
Probably.
also improvised.
Yeah.
It's like the tradition of, say, Carniol, maybe, or
Yeah.
you know.
Well, I look at it different. I think that improvisation comes from being at home and very familiar with the prayers. So you feel like, you're coming home, like in your house, you don't have to stand on ceremony and watch everything you do, So you open up. You open up. You know where you're going. You know where you want to go. And the sky's the limit. You do whatever you want.